Hey everyone, it's me Geoffrey and welcome back to my tech reviews.
In my Freebuds Pro overview video, I have introduced all the amazing features like the great sound quality, the ultimate intelligent active noise cancellation, the dual device connectivity, the fast charging and battery, the smart gesture control, etc. Today I'm going to demo to you how to use the smart gesture control with your Freebuds Pro. First, connect your Freebuds Pro with your phone. You can either connect it through AI Live app or through phone Bluetooth connection directly. Once putting on your Freebuds Pro, you can start experiencing the easy use of smart gesture control. Let's have a try right now. Pinch either of the earbud once, you can answer end calls or play and pause music. Pinch twice, you can reject call or play next song. Pinch 3 times, you can play the previous song. Pinch and hold either of your earbuds helps you to maneuver from activating active noise cancellation to switch on or off the awareness mode. Swipe up and down once of your Freebuds to adjust the sound volume of your music. In addition to that, you can simply customize the smart gesture control from the AI Live applications. Hope this video helps you explore more on your Huawei Freebuds Pro. Thanks for watching. Peace out.